Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nuclear Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable pendrive within only 10 minutes. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to press Windows plus R button, then search for CMD, then enter. It will open the command prompt. Then you need to type here DiskPart, then click enter, then click on yes. After opening DiskPart, you need to type list space disk, then enter. You can see here all the drives of our computer will show here. Here this 14 GB is my pen drive, so then I am selecting here, select disk 2, then click on enter, then clean, then hit enter. After cleaning the disk, you need to create a partition. For this I am typing create partition primary, then hit enter. You can see our partition is now created. Then format fs is equal to ntfs space quick, then click on enter. It will take some time for formatting, so be patient. You can see here it has been formatted. Now you need to type another command, that is assign, ASSIGN, then hit enter. After assigning, your pen drive is successfully formatted. Then click exit and then exit. Okay, then you need to open your Rufus application, which I have given the link in the description. You can download from there. After opening that, select your USB drive, then select your disk image. Here you can see I have saved an ISO file in my drive F, so I am selecting my drive F. You can see here Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, then click on open, then click on MBR, then ntfs, then start, then open. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't worry about the comments, it is given in the description, which I have used in the comment prompt. You can see here the installation is in progress. So you haven't visited my blog yet, the link is given in the description, so check out the description. So it is almost there. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes according to your system speed or laptop speed. You can see our bootable pen drive is now ready for use. And click on close. Then open your this PC application. Now you can see it's bootable. Then here the logo is not showing, so you need to reset your pen drive, remove from your USB drive and then insert it again. It will show the logo here. You can see here like this. After click on setup, then click on yes. If it runs the setup, it means your bootable pen drive is ready for use. You can see here it's now installing. You can see install Windows 10. This means our bootable pen drive is ready for use. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.